The booking form settings allow you to customize the look and feel of the booking process once you have enabled bookings for your website. The booking form settings can be found on the booking page in the website editor. Now we'll explain the different options available in the Sidebar tab of the booking form settings. From your booking page, navigate to the settings icon and click there. Then navigate to Sidebar. The Sidebar tab tells you specifically what is shown in the sidebar area and how the guests will see it. The Sidebar Title lets you choose what the text will be, with the options being Use Rental Name and Use Custom Text. If Use Rental Name is selected, then the Sidebar Title will automatically display the name of the rental. You can see the example here. The next option in the Sidebar Title is Use Custom Text. When Use Custom Text is selected, you'll be able to enter any text as the Sidebar Title. You can see the example here. Moving forward, let's take a look at the Rental Info section. The Rental Info section is displayed below the booking fees area in the sidebar and consists of a rental image and details about the rental. It can be set to visible or hidden. Once the rental info section is set to visible, you'll see it underneath the booking fees area. You can see the example here. Next, let's take a look at rental info section set to hidden. With the hidden option, you can choose to omit the rental info section from the sidebar. You can see the rental info is hidden from the sidebar. Moving forward, let's take a look at our check-in and check-out time. The check-in and check-out times are shown in the sidebar of the rental info section, and this could be set to show time as is or show time in guest time zone. When the show time zone as is option is selected, the check-in and check-out times will be shown exactly as specified in the rental details in WebReady. For example, if the check-in time is set as 1 p.m., it will show as 1 p.m. to the guests regardless of where they are located and the equivalent time in their time zone. You can see the example here. Next, we'll take a look at Show Time in Guest Time Zone. When this option is selected, the check-in and check-out times will be shown in the guest time zone instead of showing the time in the rental time zone. For example, if the rental details have the check-in time at 1 p.m., but the guest is in a location where the time is equivalent to 11 p.m., then the guest will see 11 p.m. You can see the example here. And finally, let's take a look at check-in and check-out time zone. The check-in and check-out time zone is shown in the sidebar in the rental info section, and this could be set to show time zone or high time zone. When show time zone is selected, the time zone of the check-in and check-out times will be displayed in the rental info section of the sidebar. You can see the example here. And lastly, we'll take a look at high time zone. When the high time zone is chosen, the check-in and check-out times will be displayed without stating what time zone it is. You can see here that the time zones are hidden. Using the Booking Form Sidebar tab allows you to get the most out of WebReady.